Hey guys, it's Josh T Gaming here. Today is my birthday, and I'm 16 years old right now. We're gonna be playing some Yellowstone on Leash. We're gonna play as my favorite animal of all time, the bobcat. Whoa! All right, let's just get into this world. The map has been updated, so I might not be good at this. We're just gonna be doing some NPC stuff right now. Just walking around aimlessly like a bobcat. But I'm about to kill it. Oh, I can't kill anything. It says I'm protected for now. It is invincibility. Oh, shh. Wait, that snake want some? Rattlesnake. Well, you got my lunch go. Get over here. I'm gonna kill you, boy. Oh, shoot. You about to easel me. Oh, my God. I should have not messed with him, bro. Oh, my God. Alright, He's about to, get into this. It takes so long to load. And everything. By the way, watching this right now, I recommend you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because I'm growing. I have like 440 subscribers. Thank you so much. Like, I'm bound to become a huge YouTuber one day, and by you just subscribing literally just helps me out. Shut the frick up, you goofy old car. You're in the ground. I'm gonna just rest for a sec. In the game, not IRL. Oh yeah, we can hunt small animals. I don't know where they're at. We can hunt like jackrabbits and mice. Let's use a scent right now. See absolutely nothing. Oh, I see something. Come on out, Jerry. Come on out. It's like Tom and Jerry right now. Come on. Come on. I know he wants to come out, Jerry. Look at a small little snack. If I was a fox, I would just be able to just jump in there for a view. I guess I'm not really hungry in the game. Imagine if this goes in a big circle, then how the heck are the freaking tourists gonna leave? It's gonna go in the circle forever. So before, it used to be like, it would just branch off to absolutely nowhere. And I tell you, the people at Yellowstone topped this game out big time, y'all. Just freaking look at this. How beautiful it is. Anyway, after this video, I'm gonna be posting a rec room video on the Sea Monster VR channel. It's not gonna be another episode. Episode 4 will be animated. Definitely. I'll probably release a sneak peek on the Sea Monster VR channel. But yeah, just heads up, this next Sea Monster VR will not be another episode. Sadly, I'm sorry. But man, shut the frick up, bro. Look at you. You look like a monkey. Hey, get your own monkey-looking self out of here. Oh god, it was another monkey. Look at him. Look goofy out. I've found absolutely no one in the server. And it looks like I probably will, because I keep wasting my stamina. Actually, joke's on you, because this is the end of the motherfucking video. As I break my legs. Because I almost wanted to come out here really quick and to say that it's my birthday, and wish me happy birthday. And like the video, I already said that. Yeah, subscribe. That big, beautiful red button is just waiting there. Just be clicked on. And yeah. Peace the frick out.